Now, how to use concatenate. Now, in this first cell, there is a John written, and in the second cell, there is a Smith written. So we have to concatenate these two words. Okay, so what we have to do is select here is equal to concatenate bracket, select this cell, comma, then inverted commas, then space, inverted comma completed, this comma, and then select B. Done. So basically, this is nothing but a space between these two words. It's done. Now let's see how to use stream formula in Excel. Now here one name is given, Sandy Lopez, but mistakenly there are many spaces added between the name Sandy and Lopez, and you wanted to remove the extra spaces. So what you have to do is type is equal to stream bracket, select the cell and close the bracket. If you see here the extra spaces have gone. Now let's see how to use lower formula in Excel. So what is lower formula? It will convert all the capital letters into the small letters. Okay. Now the Sandy is written in capital letters. So let's see how to use this formula. Is equal to lower, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, hit enter. Now it is all in small letters. Now just drag and drop. Now Excel, the first letter was only capital. The rest of the letters were in small. But because of lower formula, all the letters are converted to small letters. Now let's see how to use upper formula in Excel. So what does this upper formula does? It will convert all the letters into capital letters. So basically what does upper means? Capital. Okay. So how to use this formula is equal to UPPER upper, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, hit enter. Can you see the Johnson was written in small letters, now it is in capital letters. Okay, now just drag and drop. Now Excel, here in Excel, the first letter is in capital, rest all the letters are in small. Now the Excel is in capital letter. So what is the proper function in Excel? Now in this cell, there is a word Martin and it is all in capital small letters. Okay. Now in case of proper, what will happen? So type here is equal to proper and select this cell. So in this case, here all the letters were in the small letters, but here only the first letter comes in the capital letter. Okay. So if you want for Sandy, then what you have to do, you don't have to type the formula, you just drag and drop it. So in case if you want only first letter to be in the capital letters, then you have to use this proper function. Let's see how to use left formula in Excel. It means it will extract the character from the start of the text. I'll show you how to do that. Type is equal, now the name is Anderson and we have to use the formula is equal to left, select the cell and how many characters you wanted to extract, that is the 4. For example, I will take a 4, bracket complete and enter. Now it will take the start, extract the characters from the start of the text. Now I enter the 4 characters, it means it takes only the 4 characters which is and A N D E. Okay, so if we select here 5, it will take 5 characters, that is A N D E R, enter. Now let's see how to use right formula in Excel. It means it will extract the characters from the end of the text. Now let's see how to do this. Now here the name is Anderson and we have to use the right formula. So what I will do, I will type is equal to RIGHT bracket, then I will select the cell and how many characters I want to extract from the end of the text. For example, I will take 4 and bracket complete, enter. Now it will take the last 4 characters, that is RSON, the end of the 4 characters. Okay, now if I select here 5, for example, then it took 5 characters, that is ERSON. Okay. Now let's see how to use mid formula in Excel. It means it will extract the characters from the middle of the text. Okay, let's see how to do this. Now here the name is Anderson is there. Now I will type the formula is equal to mid bracket. I will select the cell. Then I will type the number, for example, 3. And then I will type the number 4. Okay, I'll show you. Now what it has extracted, that is DERS, DERS. Now how it works, I'll show you. Now is equal to mid, I have selected the cell, that is A5, right? Now what do you mean by this 3? It means it will start with the letter 3, third character. 1, 2, 3, that is D, and then extract 4 characters, that is DERS. Done. Let's see how to use length formula in Excel. What does this length formula does? It will find out the total letters present in that respective cell. So let's see how to use that formula. Is equal to LEN, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, hit the enter. In John, there are 4 letters, so it will written 4. Just drag and drop. So in Sarah, there are 5 letters, so it will written 5. In Sandy, there are 5 letters, it will written 5. In blank cell, there are total 12 letters are there, including this bracket, so it will written 12. You can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So done. Now let's see how to use search formula in Excel. So what does this search formula does? It will find out the particular letter from this cell. Now let's see how to use this. Is equal to search. I wanted to find out letter A. Okay. Close the bracket and in this cell. What it does, now A letter comes 2 times here. A comes 2 times, but it will always search the first letter A. Now A, which is there in the second position, so it will return 2. So instead of small letter, if I type capital letter, still it will return 2 because it is not case sensitive. It will treat small a and capital letter A same. Now let's see how to use find formula in Excel. What does this find formula does? It will find out the particular letter from this cell. Okay, so let's see how to use. Is equal to FIND. I wanted to find out the letter A in this cell. Now A comes 2 times here, but it will always return the first value. The A comes in the second position, that's why it will return 2. Okay. Now instead of small letter A, if I type capital letter A, it will not return any value because this formula, find formula, is a case sensitive and it will not recognize distinguish between small letter A and capital letter A. It will treat them differently.